Okay, we're back here with the change machine. Just made this temporary stand for it, just makes it a bit easier. And we've put on an LCD. Quite a few people have been asking for that. So basically the LCD just sits there giving you instructions, or this 10p change machine, and insert your coin. And then you can actually insert a coin and it will tell you what value you've just put in. So if there is 20p there, it tells you that you've got a 20p and that you've been given 2 10s. Put a 10p in, tells you that it's 10p and that it's giving you back 1 10p. We'll try it one more time. We'll go with a pound. So tells you that it was pound inserted and it gives you your pound change. Okay, so we're using a standard 16 carat to 2-line display. However, we're also instead using one, same thing, but with this chip on the back, which allows you then just to use 2 pinouts. So of course there's 4 coming in, there's VCC, so there's power and ground, and there's actually only 2 pins being utilised to give you the full display, which is amazing compared to however many pins it normally takes to power up a display. What's nice, however, is that if you remember, we programmed it so it would accept smaller denominations than the value it's actually going to give out, which is 10p. So it means if we put a 2p in, it tells you that we've got 2p in total. It tells you 4p, 6, 8, and then finally 10, and it just spits the 10p out, and obviously it resets then. What's quite interesting is that you can leave that, so that 10p can stay in there. Let's put some 5p's in, so the same thing happens with 5p's. So there you go, 1 5p. And we can go back now to the 2p, and obviously now we're on 4p, so it keeps a track of where you're up to in terms of what coins are in. So let's put final 5p and it gives you a 10p out. So there you go, there's our LCD display. There is a slight delay on that. You don't have to watch the display. So if you did just sit there and keep putting in 2p coins, it would be calculating them. Even though the display might not be keeping up, it is counting. It will still give you the right amount of change there. So anyway, a useful addition. If anybody can think of anything else they'd like to see on the change machine, then I'd certainly be interested in hearing from you in the comments. Thanks for watching. Okay, it's asked by somebody to in the Philippines to create a change machine with pesos. So they use 2 main coins apparently, 10 pesos and a 5 pesos. I've not got those coins, so I've just got 2 UK coins to represent those. So if we put a 5 peso in, we get 5 coins given out. Finally, if we put a 10 peso piece in, and we get 10 1 pesos out.